1. Not shaking the inhaler a few times before use. 2. Not exhaling before use. 3. Not tilting the head backward to open up the airway. 4. Not closing your lips around the mouthpiece. 5. Press the canister down before you inhale. 6. Use steroidal inhaler before albuterol inhaler. 7. Not holding breath for 5 to 10 seconds after inhalation of medicine. 8. Not waiting at least 1 minute between puffs. 9. Not rinsing and gargling your mouth after use of steroidal inhaler. 10. Not rinsing the inhaler device with warm water after several uses. One. Shake the inhaler a few times before use. Propellant is needed for the non-CFC inhaler. Shaking it will assure the medicine and the propellant are well mixed. 2. Exhale before use. Imagine your lungs are like a balloon. If they are already filled with air, there is no room for more air. By exhaling air out of your lung, you'll have more room for the inhaled medicine. 3. Tilt the head backward to open up the airway. Try to swallow while your head is tilted backward. It is difficult because it pushes the epiglottis against the opening of the esophagus. By tilting the head backward, it opens up the airway for the puff to get into the lungs easier. 4. Inhale before pressing the canister down. This allows the puff to go into your lungs instead of staying in your throat. 5. Hold breath as long as possible after inhaling the medicine. It will help to settle the medicine in your lungs. 6. Wait at least 1 minute between puffs. The first puff will go in halfway through the lungs. It will take time for the albuterol to work, so it will open up the airway for the second puff's medicine to get into the lung deeper. Seven. Use albuterol inhaler before steroidal inhaler. Albuterol is a beta-2 agonist which relaxes the airway's smooth muscle. This opens up the airway to let the steroid get deeper into the lungs if used after albuterol. 8. Rinse and gargle your mouth after use of steroidal inhaler. The steroid collected in the back of the throat can enhance fungi growth there. You can simply prevent by rinsing and gargling your mouth after each use. Nine. Rinse the inhaler device with warm water after several uses. The new non-CFC inhaler contains particles that sometimes clog the small opening between the device and the canister, and the puff cannot come out.